Hello, what's up and welcome to Gift from FBA channel. So today we're going to talk about Amazon PPC strategies, ultimate guide for 2022. We'll talk time. If you want to be successful in Amazon 2022 and beyond, you need to have a good Amazon PPC management strategy, right? Amazon pay per click PPC advertising is part of Amazon's internal advertising system. Through Amazon PPC, brands, agencies, and third-party sellers can target specific keywords to create advertisements for their products, which appear in Amazon search results and competitor product listings. That way, sellers can present Amazon customers who are ready to make a purchase with the relevant products. Okay, Amazon customers who are ready to make a purchase of relevant products at points of sale, and then measure their ads performance to identify which specific ads are driving conversions. It's a highly effective marketing strategy. This marketing technique that 3 out of 4 Amazon sellers of all types and uses and sizes utilize to help you maximize your PPC strategy, right? So to help you maximize your PPC strategy, here is what this detailed article will cover. Number 1, what is Amazon PPC? Number 2, what is PPC important? Why is PPC important for Amazon sellers? Number 3, how to create an Amazon PPC strategy. Number 4, choosing which type of Amazon PPC ad is right for you and for your business. Number 5, types of Amazon PPC ads and targeting strategies. Sponsored product ads. There are two actually: automatic targeting and manual targeting. Sponsored brands under sponsored brands, that's automatic targeting and manual targeting. And there are sponsored brand ads and sponsored display ads. The ultimate guide of creating sponsored product ads. We'll take an extensive look at each of the different types of PPCs ads and how to set them along with the recommendations for strategies that Jungle Scout expert Amazon sellers use for their business. What is Amazon PPC? Amazon PPC is the advertising platform Amazon makes available to its third-party sellers. It allows sellers to create ad campaigns for their products and then charges them each time a potential customer clicks and views their ads. Before we get into details of Amazon PPC, though, it's important to understand Amazon's key PPC metrics. This is how Amazon describes each one. Advertising costs. So, what are the advertising costs for Amazon PPC? The percentage of attributed sales spent on advertising. This is calculated by dividing total ad spent by attributed sales. For example, if you spent $4 on advertising resulting to in attributed sales of about $20, your ACOs will be 20%, i.e. $4 per $20 divided by $20 will be 0.20%. Okay, so attributed sales, the total products sales generated within 1 week of clicks on your ads. Your sales data can take up to 48 hours to populate. So as a result, sales data is not available in the today's range and may be delayed to the yesterday date range. You can view the individual sales topics, sales totals for advertised products and other products in the campaign performance report. Impressions, the number of times your ads were displayed. Once identified, it may take up to 3 days to remove invalid clicks from your report. Clicks from the last 3 days may be adjusted due to click invalidation. Right? Clicks. The number of times your ads were clicked. Once identified, it may take up to 3 days to remove invalid clicks from your report. Clicks from the last 3 days may be adjusted due to click invalidation. Why is Amazon PPC important for Amazon sellers? As consumers, shopping increasingly shifts online and overwhelmingly to Amazon.com. E-commerce brands, sellers have immense opportunities to succeed, but with that influx of online retail traffic comes with competition looking to capture the most sales. Having an effective PPC advertising strategy is all about essential for Amazon businesses of all sizes. After all are over and done, 350 million products on Amazon and listings can easily get lost in the noise. And while your organic ranking, the place where your product appears in search results naturally, is important, advertisements help increase your reach on this platform. How to create an Amazon PPC strategy. Here are the basic aspects of building a solid Amazon PPC management strategy. Number 1, test each type of PPC ad campaign and play around with automatic ads and manual keyword targeting to see what's best for your brand. Right? See what's best for your brand. Number 2, perform detailed keyword research using Jungle Scout keyword. Scout focusing on both the related keywords and competitors' keywords products. Number 3, when starting out, set daily budgets and default bids 50 to 100% higher than Amazon recommendations. Number 5, Amazon's recommendations. Number 4, let ad campaigns run for at least 2 weeks before running reports and making adjustments. Number 5, use ad reports for your automatic campaigns to find keywords for your manual campaigns. Number 6, before adjusting or removing a keyword from your manual campaign, make sure the keyword gets at least 10 clicks. Number 7, continue reviewing your ad reports once a week, subtracting adding, subtracting, adding, and adjusting keywords as needed. Okay, that was all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment on this video. Thank you for sticking to this point.